Well, I think after a long gap of 2 years, having a physical event is like a celebration for most of the customers here. And the kind of response which I saw, especially yesterday, was overwhelming. I've attended so many textile exhibitions in the past, but perhaps this was the one where there was the highest number of people footfalls. And when I discussed with people, I realized that one of the biggest reason is people wanted to meet people. And this was so evident yesterday, and it is a grand success. I think people have made it a success. I think this has also given an example for other exhibitors to follow, that I think things are very fast coming to the normalcy, and I think people are in a way little bit fed up of the digital exhibitions, and they want to actually participate physically in the physical exhibitions. We had a very long wait for the technical textile industry in India. When I was in my former company working, we started work on technical textiles more than 2 decades back, but not much activity happened. But now I think India is at an inflection point as far as technical textile is concerned. The consumption is growing up considerably. But that's not only the point. The point is that lot of manufacturing is going to happen in India now. India spends a lot of money on importing many technical textile items which are not made in India. The government support is tremendous now for technical textile, and if you see the schemes, there is a technical technology mission. There is also PLI scheme earmarking investments in technical textiles and man-made fibers. And this is perhaps the best time to invest in technical textiles for 2 reasons. There is a growing domestic market. There is big opportunity in the global market. And third, the largest opportunity is in the import substitute products. Even the simple products are getting imported in the country, particularly if you see the import list of technical textile items, they are like, diapers, then sanitary napkins. They are very simple products, but many of them get imported. Then geogrids, also the safety belts in the car, all these, many of the things are still getting imported. So once they are manufactured in India, I'm pretty sure there is going to be tremendous double-digit growth to follow in technical textile industry in the years to come. I'm extremely bullish about this industry, and the way people are discussing today, more people have come to this exhibition to find out the avenues and opportunities in products where they can invest. And the present players in the industry are very confident, so they are thinking of adding new products either or expanding. So in a nutshell, I think the best days for technical textiles are just going to begin. In commodities, textile commodities particularly, I think the market is saturated. There is too much of competition. The margins are tremendously under pressure. It's necessary for the investors to look at niche areas or to look at the products where there is not much of competition, something like red ocean and blue ocean strategy. I would clearly say that technical textile is a blue ocean now. And even many startups I have seen, they are coming up in technical textiles. I personally believe that it is a high time that even textile manufacturers, like there are best examples are people like Welspun, for example, Guinea. They are basically textile manufacturers. Even Arvind Mills, they have gone diversified into advanced materials or technical textile and doing tremendously well. So my suggestion or my request to the textile fraternity is that you can continue to do well in your present business. However, you must look at investing in the new products in technical textiles. This is a new growth opportunity looking at you, and government is also very supportive. All the factors are very conducive now to invest in technical textile manufacturing.